One of the things that we really enjoy is the kids' room, so we can rearrange the toys. This body move. So organizing, arrangement, cleaning, call us 407-572-4118. Thank you. We are cleaning the master bathroom. In the meantime that I was preparing myself and the products to clean the shower, because the shower glass and everything, the tile, the floor, the chrome, everything takes time. I asked Sonia if she could clean the top and the outside windows close to the top. So at the beginning I was trying to record and at the same time clean, but sometimes it's really hard to record and clean. So finally I say, you know what, Sonia, please can you record for me? And she record better. I was trying to record the product that I used. I used Diversey, non-acidit cleaner and disinfectant and deodorizing. Really good odor, really pleasant. I had some done. Previously, and when I tried to record, I already did all the walls. I was using the Unger Swivel Brush. That brush is stiff, it swivels. You can put it on the extension pole and you can brush the floor, the walls, the tile, the grout. I use it in many occasions. That brush is like heavy duty brush. I had it for years. Really good brand. The Unger brand is from Germany. You can find it, I guess, in Home Depot or ungercleaning.com or something like that. But the brand is Unger and that brush is swivels. I already waited 10 minutes previously recording and the odor was really pleasant. That product will prevent the mold from the shower and the corners and the grout. Deodorize and clean and disinfect everything at the same time. You just pour, wait 10 minutes, then scrub and then rinse. When you clean, the most important part after scrubbing is rinsing. You have to rinse really good the surface. This product, because it's no acidic, it won't damage any kind of surface. I can use it in no porous surface, ceramic, tile, grout, glass. I can use it in chrome. I can use in toilets, inside the toilet, or on the side on the toilet, things like that. Then I was telling Sonia that if she can record how we do the glass. You can see right now that the glass is in really good shape, but it was a really good shape because I already cleaned it. I have just to rinse it and clean and to make it pretty, you know. So I use peroxide as a sprayer, but the peroxide that we use doesn't foam. So what we use is a little bit of water and Dawn, and you can be some foaming. That Dawn give you the extra power of rinsing and cleaning the glass, and the Dawn is the soap that give you the ability to glide the squiggy. This squiggy is from Wagtail. It's a brand from Australia. Willie Erkin is the owner of Wagtail. I like this small squiggy because you can scrub and at the same time you can squiggy. In case that you leave any kind of mark, just take a microfiber cloth and you wipe again and you correct, and that's it. I consider that the finish when you use squeegees is superior than do it by hand. So I really love the squiggy. Sonia have another squiggy, small, that is Unger brand, but I love Wagtail. I have been using Wagtail by the recommendation of John. What is the last name of John? I don't remember the last name of John, but John is my friend from Pennsylvania. He introduced me to Wagtail, he introduced me to Unger, everything about window. He's a professional window cleaner, and he gave me a lot of recommendation. Really nice guy that have a YouTube channel, and also he have a forum about in Facebook, some group, Wagtail or window cleaning. Sometimes when you start the business, you don't know nothing, and you want some answer, you want some recommendation of products, and he was the first guy that helped me. Thanks God that the guys on YouTube, they are really nice, and every question that I have, I go to groups, I ask, and they recommend me products, techniques, things like that. So little by little, with experience, you are getting your own try and error, and you switch products, you test new products to see which is superior, no? Which product takes you less effort, less scrubbing, more time for you, because time is money, right? So right now I'm spraying peroxide by Ecolab. A really good product, that's peroxide. It's a multi-purpose cleaner. The smell is fresh. It's safe for granite. No recommended for wood floors, because in wood floors we use neutral cleaner. Sometimes we use squeaky clean for wood floors, or the brand Zep, ZEP neutral cleaner. So right now I'm doing the front glass. You say, oh, the glass is already clean, is doesn't have any water stain. Doesn't have any water stain because I already pre-treated. At the moment I go just do my job, and then when I have time, record. I'm looking right now for any kind of shower glass that is in really bad shape, so I can test my new technique. I found out an acidic product, and this is something that I have been doing for the past week for new clients, but so far I didn't find a bad glass shower. So I'm searching for a bad glass shower to clean it. I really want just the bad glass shower. I'm looking for do some jobs and test my new technique. Well, Sonia was doing the ceiling fans in this house. In the meantime, Stephanie was doing the kitchen. This house is so pretty. The reason why they hire us is because of Jax. Jax is a lab. Beautiful. He's so chubby, big. I have a photo years ago when he was a baby. We use a Warehorse vacuum. You can see how fast this vacuum, because it has a really strong power of suction, pick up all the pet hair from Jax. He's white. I was telling Sonia that this carpet, the white hair blends into the carpet, and also the tile in this house is kind of white, gray, and the pet hair from Jax, the vanish, I don't know how to say it, se dispersa, no lo ves, sabes que hay muchos pelos, pero realmente no lo ves por el piso y el color. I'm so sorry, but sometimes I get stuck with the language. So I was using Warehorse, one pass. I didn't do the north, south, west, east, no, because I didn't want to. They didn't hire us to do the carpet cleaning. I always do that when I'm gonna steam cleaning. But however, after the first pass, we picked up a lot of pet hair. The client was there and said, "Do you want to see it?" Oh, no, don't show me that. I know Jax is shedding a lot, and he mentioned something really interesting that in summer, I didn't know that, and dogs usually shed more. I don't know. So I told Sonia, even though I picked up a lot of pet hair, I will do a second pass. In the second pass, I pick it up less. So right now, Sonia picked up the Jack's bed, and I vacuum behind the bed. Then I use the attachment, the hose, and I was vacuum Jack's bed to pick up all the pet hair. We did a lot of things in this house. This client, I know her, I know this family for many years. They moved 3 times. I know the 3 houses. I was recommended by his brother years ago. This is not a regular client, like maintenance client. He called me when he needed. So I have different type of clients that I don't push nobody, you know. If the person needs a weekly service, we do the weekly service. If the person wants just once a month, well, once a month. Sometimes it's better to have clients once a month, because the charge is more, of course, because it's gonna take us more time to disinfect, clean, and vacuum and mop or whatever.
This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning.
This is Fiorella from Any House.
You can contact us at 407-572-4118 for any questions or concerns. Thank you. Bye. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment. Bye.